major updates on the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and Vietnamese Dong, VND. Significant developments are unfolding in the financial sector, particularly concerning the Iraqi Dinar and the Vietnamese Dong. Let's explore the latest updates that could influence the global economy. Kurdistan's oil exports, resume. A noteworthy update from financial analyst Guru Samson reveals that Washington and Baghdad have reached an understanding regarding the urgent need to restart oil exports from Kurdistan. Given that Iraq's economy is largely dependent on oil revenues, this breakthrough represents a critical step toward financial stability and progress. By resuming these oil exports, Iraq could significantly enhance its economic position. This initiative aligns with broader economic strategies aimed at reinforcing the country's financial foundation and ensuring long-term sustainability. Trump's demand for debt repayments. In another major financial move, expert Guru Walkingstick reports that former U.S. President Donald Trump is actively working to ensure that Iraq repays its financial obligations to the United States. However, Iraq is not the only country in his sights. Trump is also seeking repayments from multiple nations, including NATO allies that have historically benefited from U.S. support. This push is consistent with Trump's long-term strategy of promoting equitable financial relationships between the U.S. and other countries. As Iraq moves forward with monetary reform efforts, a key question remains: how will it manage these repayments, and what effects will this have on its financial future? These economic changes could have far-reaching implications for global markets, particularly in how currencies are traded and valued. Iraq's shift toward digital currency. According to Guru Sandy Ingram, the Trade Bank of Iraq, TBI, Governor Alak has made bold claims about the future of the nation's banking sector. The key takeaway: the era of paper money is fading, and digital transactions are becoming the norm. Iraq is actively working on launching a digital currency, placing it in line with global financial leaders transitioning toward digital payment systems. This aligns with the worldwide movement where central banks are embracing digital currencies to boost security, efficiency, and financial transparency. Governor Alak also emphasized that maintaining both an official exchange rate and a secondary market will soon become unsustainable. This indicates Iraq's progress toward a fully digital economy, potentially revolutionizing its financial sector. Is Iraq moving away from the U.S. dollar? Speculation is growing regarding Iraq's possible move away from the U.S. dollar. A recent report from Germany suggests that Iraq is seriously considering issuing its own digital currency, which could reduce the dollar's influence over its central bank. If Iraq adopts a national digital currency, it could change the dynamics of international trade and reshape how countries interact with the U.S. dollar. A digital currency backed by Iraq's central bank would facilitate electronic transactions via digital wallets, making financial processes more streamlined and efficient. Banking sector overhaul in Iraq. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani is spearheading efforts to modernize Iraq's banking system. A recent meeting focused on restructuring Iraq's largest banks, Rafidain and Rashid. Leading consulting firm Ernst & Young is assisting with this extensive overhaul. The goal isn't just to modernize outdated financial systems, but also to align Iraq's banking infrastructure with global financial standards. The reforms include strengthening banking regulations, enhancing repayment frameworks, and upgrading employee training to ensure Iraq's financial system is competitive on the international stage. Upcoming financial reforms and currency developments. Exciting developments are on the horizon, and this week could mark a major turning point. Reports indicate that Iraq is implementing significant upgrades, including a crucial banking software overhaul. This new system aims to improve global financial communication, ensuring banks, Forex markets, and financial institutions are well prepared for upcoming changes, such as the introduction of new currency notes. Sources suggest that images of lower denomination banknotes will soon be released, signaling another key step forward in Iraq's economic transformation. Why reducing money supply matters. You might be wondering why central banks sometimes pull currency out of circulation. While it may seem counterintuitive, this strategy plays a vital role in maintaining economic stability. When too much cash floods the market, the currency's value can decrease due to basic supply and demand principles. Think of it like a fruit market. If an abundance of oranges is available and not enough buyers exist, prices will drop. The same concept applies to money. Excessive supply can weaken its value. To coup,